In front of me is REALME 8, and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. So let me start with the first one, which is *pound, 07 pound. And as you can see, now you can smoothly check the maximum SAR level, here it is, and tap on OK to close it. So this one is pretty short, quick and easy. Then if you would like to send some feedback due to some issues that you have with your device, just enter *pound, 800 pound. And here you can pick, for example, if you have some troubles with, for example, Wi-Fi, just click on it. Now you can start recording and it will be done. You can record the issue and then you can send it. So let me go back. I would like to discard as I don't want to send feedback now, but you can obviously pick the particular problem, then record it and send, then just wait for the resolution. Another code that you can use is pretty similar because it's *pound, 888 and pound at the end. And this one will redirect you to engineering mode where you can check the PCB number. So let me go back then, and now you can check phone software info. To do it, just enter *pound, 6776 and pound at the end. And here you've got software version info. So for example, if you want to check the baseband version, model, Android version, master date, and so on, just enter this code and here it is. So let me go back. Now, if you want to reach calendar, just enter *pound, *pound, 225 pound *. It's Google code, and here you will be able to check all events, all celebrations that you have included in your calendar. So doesn't matter if it's your Google Calendar, iPhone calendar, doesn't matter with which account they are connected. Just if you are logged in with this account to your device, it will be all displayed right here. And another code that you can use is FCM diagnostic mode. To do it, to enter it, just enter *pound, 426 pound *. And here you've got events and also status. You can smoothly reach both info. If you'd like to explore it more, if you'd like to see the advanced view, just tap on more and click on advanced view. And here it is. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.